Hi everyone, welcome back to our series. Today we are working on pattern number 2, also known as lemon peel stitch, a gorgeous 3D textured stitch that is incredibly versatile. I am using a 4-ply medium weight yarn and a 5 mm hook. If you are a beginner, I recommend using a light colored yarn like this one. It makes it much easier to see V on top of your stitches, which is crucial for this specific pattern where we alternate stitch heights. Chain 40 for this demo. You should use even number of chains. I would like to give a quick tension tip here. If you find your foundation chain is curling or too tight, try making your chain with a hook one size larger. So here we can use 5.5 mm or 6 mm, then switch back to your 5 mm for the rest of the project. Now skip 2 chains, then single crochet in each stitch across. This foundation row gives our texture a solid base to pop up from. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, make single stitches across all the chains, and I will see you at the end. This is how our foundational row looks. Let's start for our first row. Turn your work, chain 2, single crochets in first stitch, then a treble crochet in the next. So for treble crochet, you have to yarn over twice on the needle, then insert the hook and pull up a loop. So we have 5 loops on the needle. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then from next 2 loops, and again from next 2 loops. Even if you are a beginner, you can easily do this. This is a treble crochet. Make a single crochet in the next one and again a treble crochet in the next one. Let's talk about the golden loop. When you pull up a loop on your treble crochet, try to pull it up to the same height as your hook. If you pull it too tight, your texture will flatten. If you are too loose, you will get gaps. To keep your edges perfectly straight, use a stitch marker in the very first stitch of every row. It's so easy to accidentally skip that last stitch and add an extra one, which leads to the wonky edges. Repeat single crochet and triple crochet sequence. I will see you at the end of this row. I have one stitch left, which is the first single crochet. I am going to make a single crochet in the same, and that's how we end this row. We need to turn and make 2 chains. This is how the work looks after first 2 rows. Row 3 is just a repeat of row 2. One single, one treble. For speed crochet or to crochet faster, you can try different grips. Some prefer pencil grip for control, while others like the knife grip to reduce hand fatigue during the longer sessions. I am habitual to knife grip mostly. Also, make sure your yarn is flowing freely from the ball. Tugging on yarn can actually ruin your tension in between or mid row. Here I am left with last 2 stitches. So this is how the work looks. We are about to end this row. We have to make a treble in the second last stitch, then a single stitch. For the next row, let's make 2 chains and start with a single crochet, then we will make a triple crochet. So that's the beauty of this crochet pattern. We have to just follow one row, repeating one after other, like single crochet, a triple crochet, single crochet, next triple crochet, another single crochet, let's finish this row and I will see you at the end of the row. So I finished that row and I finished 3 more rows. So after 6 rows, this is how the pattern looks. Isn't it looking beautiful? A 3D textured pattern. For the final row, we will do one single crochet in every stitch to mirror our foundation. But remember, we started with 2 chains and then we started for the single crochet in each of the stitch. If your finished piece look a bit curly, don't panic. Blocking your work with a bit of steam or water can settle the fiber and make the texture truly pop. You can add this pattern into any of the project. That was the last chain to finish up this. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting. Now before we finish, I have a little secret to share. I didn't choose this specific stitch just because it's pretty. I have actually been working on a full scale project that uses this exact pattern, and let me tell you, the result is absolutely stunning. I'll be posting a dedicated video very soon showing you how to turn this texture into a complete finished piece. It's a project that really highlights how versatile this stitch is. Can you guess what it might be? Is it something to wear or something for the home? If you want to be the first to see that reveal and follow along with the full project tutorial, make sure you have hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss how this simple repeat transforms into something high-end and professional. Stay tuned for that. Thank you.